Sekhmet Rising. This is a channeling that I did back in 2016 for a book entitled after my contribution called Sekhmet Rising. She has been calling my energies to tune into her deeper and deeper. Now I'm going to share with you the channeling. Before time was recorded on the walls of the temple pyramids in Kemet, near Nubia, fragments of asteroids that had been buried in the sands for eons revealed themselves. In this particular designated time and space, Ra was feeling very bright and shining magnificently, giving off large amounts of light and heat. This was an unusual day in that the lightning strikes appeared, deciding to merge with the high noon essence of Ra as they focused on a particular location in the sands of time. Know that molten glass, which is what the asteroids had become, did what asteroids do, and smoke began to rise. Sekhmet Rising. Like incense into the atmosphere of Shu. Shu then whirled around, and where there is smoke comes fire. Fire and desire for life to be. Suddenly appearing from the smoke came an image of the Sphinx, the holder of secrets. The fire became a colorful mixture of yellow, red, orange, and a hint of blue as it moved with the energy of Shu. Then the mirage-like smoke image of the lioness Sphinx appeared, basking in the sun. Sekhmet Rising. Sekhmet Rising. The fire is so Nepha, beautiful, and the Sphinx appears to be quite enchanted by the flames appearing. The power recognized sent a clear message not to disrespect the fire because you could get burnt. The Sphinx, transformed by the fire, becomes a living, breathing lioness. The magical interaction of the elements having had their and that's NTR, course with each other. From the fire, paws and claws emerge, then become the hands of Sekhmet. The body of the goddess Sekhmet soon enough comes forth from the flames which grow rapidly, rhythmically, and in a magical way. The image of the Sphinx and the fire merge before the eye of the blood moon eclipse that had come forth. This process of alchemy transformation occurring in the light of high noon, Ra granted Nut the night sky to look over the birth, coming forth, the appearance of Sekhmet Rising. Sekhmet Rising. As the eclipse, a blood full moon appears, revealing the full earth birthing revelation is complete in all her glory. Sekhmet steps from the flames of the fire, burning her essence into the sands of time. Transformative healing heat, elusive speed, love, and all the attributes of the lioness sphinx belong to her. They have become one. She possesses all the powers of the sphinx. She wears the face of the lioness, the body of the goddess. Enter Sekhmet, worshipped by many wise ones over eons. Whenever you need her strength, all of her skills and her powers are available to you. Meditate on her. Chant her name. Glorify her. Know that you have the power of Sekhmet Rising within your crown to take down and rebuild whatever you desire, whenever you require, whatever is needed. For Sekhmet was seated for this reason. Allow Ma'at to bless your purpose and see with the eyes of Ra. Sekhmet Rising. I am Queen. I am Mother. I am Goddess. Opulence, Ra, enter. Keeper of the Goddess Temple Palace. You may find me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and many other platforms. You can email me at the Goddess Temple Palace. There's other information in the description, ways you can connect with me. I am a multifaceted being with talents granted to me in many arenas. Should you choose to explore more of what I have to offer and have a consultation with me, a sacred soul message, get in touch. Enjoy all the blessings that have been granted to you. Do not overlook, not a one. Sekhmet Rising.